Are you going to ask me questions? You want me to just talk?
No, I'm definitely asking questions.
Okay.
But yeah, you can tell me what you think about it. Okay. All right. So tell me who you are, where you're from.
My name is Sheila Britt. I live in Clarkston, Washington.
Awesome. So tell me, what have you learned at Private Money Profits?
Oh my gosh. So this is my second year. And the first year I was like, okay, this is all great information and I'm going to go home and use it. Well, I wasn't to that point in my business, but this year it's amazing. I've got lots of questions and I understand a whole lot more this year than I did last year.
Fantastic. There's a bug behind you. It's just driving me crazy. Don't worry about it. Oh, now it's on you. Hold on. It's okay. Okay, we're good.
Are we all good?
Yeah, now we're good. Now we're good. Okay, keep rolling. Okay. All right, so your second year, what has made the difference? What brought you back for 2 years?
Well, because I know I didn't get out of it last year what I should have, because I wasn't in that middle space then. I had some deals going on and I had some financing from hard lenders and so on. So I really didn't grasp the idea of a private lender. And in this past year, I have accidentally come up on a private lender. So I was like, so am I doing this right? Is there more to this? How do I find more of these people? So I knew this year I needed to come back and actually do the work to find people to get the money to build the business.
Awesome. How's April doing?
Oh, awesome. Yeah, I've had lots of questions for her and she's right on spot with all the answers.
Fantastic. And you've got some real estate experience. So how is private money going to really help you with the deals you're doing and growing into different deals?
Well, I've got big aspirations and having 100 doors is not easy to come by if you're doing them one at a time. So I want to build that portfolio and I would prefer to use the private money so I can help other people do private money, or their private money people earn more money. And so that way I'm helping the people who need to sell and want to sell, and then helping the lenders make the money.
Awesome.
So I'm going to grow this to 100 plus doors and I'm going to need that private money to do so.
Yay! Okay, fantastic. If anybody's thinking about coming to Private Money Profits next year, what would you tell them?
Why would you miss it?
Okay, awesome. Anything else I need to know?
I think it's amazing. I think that you do a great job of putting this all together. And we appreciate you letting us come into your home to do this year. It has been fantastic. Just keep it up. I mean, I love it. I love all your events, and Private Money Profits is well worth the money to come and learn the things.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And thank you for cutting the lemons every day.
Oh, not a problem.